is Ma'am Kyra. I'm Fiona Michelle B. Calleja from 11 Deloitte, and this is my short video presentation. As you can see, I have here my dad to interview. And for your first question, can you tell me about your childhood experiences?
There's a lot of experiences, like bad and good. So, let's express the good one. Kailangan mag-strive sa pag-aaral para makatapos. And I graduated Ateneo Dinaga. Kung talaga pinurso ko na makatapos ng pag-aaral. Yun yung mga experiences. Masarap, maganda, at maraming enjoyment. Ganun lang.
Okay, for your next question, what challenges did you face when you were younger?
May mga times na mahirap kasi sa mga assignment, mga deadlines. So, kailangan mong i-overcome yung challenges like problem sa financial, sa tuition fee, problem sa peers, sa mga barkada, sa parents.
Okay, for your last question, what advice would you like to give to younger family members like me?
Advice ko para sa iyo, being my daughter, mag-aral ng maigi kasi yun lang naman ang maibibigay ng parents para sa inyo, especially hindi lang sa iyo, sa mga ibang student pa. So you just need to study hard para makagraduate kayo, makatapos. At pag nakatapos na kayo, madali lang ang trabaho.
And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for giving advice and cooperating in this short video. That's all. Bye!